Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello. All signs, so checking ng emosyon ni person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so we do have protection from evil eye. Okay, ring, necklace, bracelet, meron tayo, no? And syempre, pagdating sa love, ito yun, si love bracelet. So, pwede siya sa singles, pwede rin siya sa may mga kakonect na maraming conflict, mga ganyan, and whatsoever. Okay, and syempre, yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so si granter, yung taga-grant, tumutulong na mag-grant yung mga minamanifest mo. Okay, and tagapagbigay ng surprises. And syempre, yung ating pang cord cut. Okay, so kung may tanong, message na lang po. Okay, para doon masasabi, doon masasagot ang inyong mga iba pang katanungan. Okay, so let's start with you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Emotion ni person mo ngayong week sa'yo. So, sino ba to? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay. Gusto kong makakuha muna situation. Ano bang situation nyo? Excuse me. Anong situation nyo ni person ngayon? Page of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng hindi okay yung communication. Could be a little to no communication, some of you. Or pwedeng merong ditong parang tumigil or natigil. Okay? Page of Pentacles in reverse. The Fool. Okay. Meron pa akong isang nakikita rito. Specific. This is like, sabihin nating over-planning. Okay? Excuse me. Merong pag-overplan pagdating sa isang situation or pagdating sa kung ano man ang meron sa inyo. Okay? Justice in reverse. Parang hindi na nakukuha yung justisya, no? Parang hindi na balanse kung bang meron. Sino ba to? Anong meron? So, may nangyaring delays. Okay? In general. Even though, yeah, merong mga plano, pero andun yung delays. Pendings. Let's see. Who is this? The Magician in reverse. Could be a Virgo. We have here Aries. Okay. Magician in reverse. The Eight of Swords in reverse. Ay, magaling itong magmanipula. Okay. Ito yung taong sabihin nating hindi ka bibigyan ng masyadong isipin pero siya yung mismo nag-overthink. Okay. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles, it's like, papakita niya sa'yo na it's going smoothly, whatsoever, mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Pero actually, this person, siya yung parang nagmamanipula sa sarili niya na pwede, na okay, or whatsoever. No? They're the overthinker here. Kaya, yun nga, may chance na pwedeng kung ano man yung mga kailangang gawin, mga kailangang planuhin, i-execute, hindi nagagawa. Okay? So, yung person mo is an overthinker. Some of you. Yeah, death. Iba sa kanila, meron silang kailangan tapusin. Okay? Iba sa kanila, meron kailangan tapusin. Sa part nila, I think. Or baguhin. Yeah. So, anong emosyon nila ngayon sa'yo? Anong emosyon nila sa'yo ngayon? Seven of Cups in reverse. And the Six of Cups. They like you. Okay? Nag-iisip sila ng long term with you, pero andun yung kulang. Okay? Kulang. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng same gender. Okay? Same gender. Some of them, they're not ready financially. Okay? Some of them. May mga issue sa kanila na kailangang sabihin nating aksyonan. So, kung ano man yung mga plano pagdating sa inyong dalawa, kasi may napepending, sabihin natin yun yung nagiging dahilan yung kanilang mga issue. Sa part po nila yun ang naging issue. Kaya po nagkakaroon ng delay sa inyo. Yeah, this person wants you. Okay? They want you. Gusto nila ng forever with you. Yun nga lang, maraming issue. Justice. Some of you pwedeng kasal tong taong to. Or there's this legal matter, legal issue na nakakapit dun sa person. They can't balance things. Okay? So, yun ang akin nakikita pagdating sa person mo. So, pinakamalakas na yun. Okay? So, next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Let's see your person's emotion this week for you. Kunin muna natin ang situation ninyo, and then ano bang meron sa kanya, and then yung emotion. Okay, what's the situation right now? Situation ng mga fire signs and ng kanilang person. So, ito na yung pinaka malakas na energy ko. Ano ating makikita? Okay? The Emperor. Somebody's in control. The Sun. Oh, pride and ego ang nakukuha ko dito. Somebody is controlling. Somebody is too controlling. Nakakuha ko ng ano dito, one-sidedness. Yes. One-sided. Nakakarinig din akong overwhelmed. I don't know why. Let's see. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Sino tong taong to? Oops. Okay, dalawa. Temperance. Chariot. Puro major arcana. Major arcana. So, ito yung taong sabihin nating nandiyan yung patience. Pero gusto niya siya yung masusunod. I don't know, like kailangan mong sundin siya. Okay? Titingnan ng taong to kung kaya kanyang kontrolin. Titingnan niya kung kaya kanyang pasunurin. Okay? Could be any gender. Yeah, the Queen of Wands is here in reversed. Sagittarius, Cancer, Leo, Aries. Some of you, pareho kayong fire sign. Okay? Pero hindi kayo magtagpo. Madalas, sabihin natin, may kanya-kanya kayong gusto. Parang nakikita ko dito, this person, kailangan niya, or sabihin natin, meron siyang kailangan sa'yo. Kundi, what? Makontrol ka. Or bumalansi ka sa kanya. Okay? Pwedeng asawa mo to. Yeah, pwedeng asawa mo to. Specific, pwedeng asawa mo, may anak kayo. Some of them, isineset aside niya yung ego and pride niya for you. Para mag-go ng maganda yung inyong connection mag-go ng smoothly. Okay? So, let's see what is their emotion. Ito yung sa alam mong yung person mo is ma-pride, ma-ego, pero iniintindi ka. Okay? Sineset aside niya yung pride, iniseset aside niya yung ego for you. Para mas maging okay kung anong meron. Okay, sige, go. Parang ganon. Pero you don't know kung ano bang emosyon niya. Let's see what's their emotion right now. Or yeah, emotion this week for you. The Empress. Yeah, asawa mo to. Okay. Puro major arcana. Their emotion is the Empress. It's like being open, present, available. Pero si Empress, alam niyan na kailangan may limit. Okay? Gusto niya kasi na may mangyaring, sabihin nating progress or leveling up. Okay? Pagdating sa kung anong meron sa inyo. Yeah, the High Priestess. May tendency na talagang ito ay magtago ng emosyon, magtago ng kung anumang intention or what. Okay? It's like iintindihin ka. Para siyang nanay or magulang sa'yo. Iintindihin ka niya. Kaya niyang magpakumbaba sa'yo. This is nice though. Nice kasi. Oo, marunong siyang bumalanse, no? Parang okay, sige, like para maging okay yung situation, yeah, mag-a-adjust ako ng kauntian, parang ganyan. Grabe, no? Puro major arcana. Lahat. The High Priestess, yung huli. Takot rin to kasi na sabihin nating magkaroon ng issue. Yeah. Tingnan natin yung High Priestess. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, emosyon niya, sabihin nating meron din siyang kailangan. Na sana nakikita mo rin. Sana nararamdaman mo rin. Okay? Yeah. See? The Ten of Cups, Universe. This is feeling incomplete or tanggap ba talaga? Parang ganon. Malungkot, actually. The Ten of Cups Universe, malungkot. Pero, this is like sacrifice. This is like nagpapakumbaba yung person sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, meron kayong issue pagdating sa anak. Gusto niya magpakumbaba para sa anak. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nakikita ko, tinatago mo yung anak. Parang iniaalis mo or parang sabihin natin inilalayo mo sa kanya. Nalulungkot siya kung ganun. Kasi gusto niya talaga na may mangyari pagdating sa situation ninyo. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita. Pagdating, yeah, this is specific. So, yun yung pinakamalakas na energy. Next. Water signs. Hang on, sandali lang po. Okay. So, water signs. Okay. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is their emotion for you this coming week? Okay. So, tingnan natin muna yung situation and then ano bang meron sa kanya. And then emotion. Okay. Let's see. Water signs. Situation nyo. The Chariot. Okay. Some of you could be dealing with another water sign. Could be a Cancerian. Okay. The Chariot. So, meron bang pinatutunguhan ang sitwasyon? Tingnan natin. The Six of Pentacles. Merong mga kailangang i-address. Merong kailangang mga tuunang pansin, no? Pagdating sa situation ninyo. Okay? Meron din ditong gusto makipag-ayos, sa totoo lang. Gusto ng another chance. Parang ganyan. With an earth sign, I think. Okay? Let's see. Hang on. Sensya na po, ha? Kailangan ko lang tingnan. Okay. Tingnan natin, ano ba ang meron pagdating sa kanya. Oh. The Seven of Swords. Oh. Water signs. Are you okay? Are you okay? The Three of Cups in reversed. Some of you, water signs, ha. Ito, specific. Ikaw ang nagbibigay, no, in general, dito sa connection nyo. Yes. This is one-sided. This person, they're a liar. They're a manipulator. They have secrets. Dark side. Okay? Anong meron dito? Bakit parang gumugusto pa ng isa pang pagkakataon? Sino ba to? Ikaw ba or siya? I think some of you pwedeng nakapagbigay ka ng another chance sa taong to. Talaga. Okay. Anong emosyon niya? Tingnan natin. May naglag. Queen of Swords in reverse. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, ginagamit ka nito sa pera mo, ha? Okay, balik ko. Nasasamantala ka ng taong to. Anong emosyon niya for you? Water signs. Okay, the Six of Cups in reverse. They're bitter. They're bitter. What's with that? The Hangman. Or the Hangwoman. Ten of Swords in reverse. You can't fix this person. Water signs. You can't fix them. Sila yung may issue dito. Okay? Kung ano man to, kung ano ba, like ikaw ba or siya na ikipagbalikan in general, they have this, sabihin nating revenge. Ten of Swords is here in reverse. At kung ano man yung nakilala mo noon sa kanya, yun pa rin siya. Okay? Some of you, kung nakikipag-ayos siya sa'yo and feeling mo okay na, you're wrong. You were wrong. Knight of Cups in reverse. Hindi ito magiging consistent sa'yo. Eight of Wands. I think, yeah, this person, sabihin nating may chance na pwede ngayon is kumukonect na sa'yo, nakikipag-usap na. Pero, the Hierophant is here in reversed. If they won't commit, they have commitment issues. Kung sa tingin mo, magiging okay na ulit, kayong dalawa, may chance na kasing marami na kayong beses nagkahiwalay ng taong to, wala akong nakikita ditong pagbabago. Okay, yeah, the Magician in reverse. Manipulation, lies, deception. This person so sneaky. Okay, so be careful. Okay, be careful. Wala akong nakikitang intention sa kanya na maganda. Gusto gusto lang din ito na hindi ka makamove on because they see you somebody who's moving on. You're the chariot. They see you as may pag-action na. There's movement. So, itong taong to, ayaw nila yun. Ayaw nilang mangyari sa'yo yun. Gusto nila na stuck ka. Kasi sila, stuck. Gusto niya, pareho kayo. Walang mangyayari. So, they will try to get your attention. Yeah, the Four of Swords in reverse. The Four of Swords in reverse, may chance kasi pwedeng aalisin yung no contact or sabihin nating mayroong nakakaramdam na parang nakakalimot na. Parang nalilimutan na ako So, may chance yung iba sa kanila, they'll sneak back. Okay? And give you confusion. Give you or throw you mixed signals. Titingnan yung my day mo, whatsoever. Give you hints, signs, subtle signs na they're still there. Like hi, like hello. Parang ganon. This is a time waster. They're a time waster. Energy nito is Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Seven of Cups. They have options. Okay, they have options. Be careful. Okay. So next is Earth signs. Sandali lang po ulit. Wait lang. Okay. So, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Your person's emotion. This coming week for you, Earth signs. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Earth sign. So, situation, let's see kung ano bang meron muna. Okay, the Two of Wands inversed. Okay, there's this opportunity or openness pagdating sa situation. Openness. The Knight of Wands. This is like flirt. Or parang nandito na yung energy na parang nagkakapalagayan ng loob. Huh? Okay? Yeah, the Two of Cups. So, I'm seeing here mutual feelings. Okay, mutual. The Two of Cups. Kung anong naramdaman mo, yun din ang naramdaman niya for you. Meron din ako dito nakikitang parang open pagdating sa sex. Okay? Andun yung sabi nating freedom pagdating sa situations. Like, no boundaries, no limits. Let's see, ano bang meron sa person. Some of them, they're younger. Page of Pentacles. Okay. The Emperor in reversed. And the Ace of Cups. Yeah, this is a new person. A new person. The Emperor in reverse, the Ace of Cups. They're in love. They are in love with you. Okay. Some of them may chance na parang sabihin nating unhealed trauma from their past. Yeah. Some of them, they're not stable. Hindi pa ganon ka-stable. Yeah. Younger. There's this immaturity pa rin still. Pagdating sa kanya, they're like playful. Okay? Charismatic. Some of them. May nakukuha kong ganon. Anyway. So, what is their emotion right now? Or this coming week for you, Earth signs? The Queen of Pentacles. They need you. They need you. Seven of Wands. What's with this Seven of Wands? I don't know. There's this some kind of tension. There's this tension. Or pwedeng ikaw yung nakakapag-provide ng something like ease or parang release. Oo, parang ikaw yung nagbibigay na sabihin nating paghinga. Ikaw yung pahinga ng tao. Ay. Ikaw yung pahinga niya. Oo. Edi goods. No, edi wow. Yeah, the hangwoman. Eh, di ba? Kung makikita mo, nagpapahinga yan. Ikaw yung pahinga niya. Earth signs. Edi ikaw na. Okay, tapos na po yung reading. Yes. Ay, wow. The Hierophant. Nakafocus sa'yo tong taong to. Ikaw yung somebody na pwedeng nagpo-provide ng ease or ng comfort pagdating sa kanya. So, it's like kailangan ka niya. Importante ka sa taong to. Ikaw yung pahinga niya eh. Diba? Ay! Wow. Ano ka ba? Anong klase kang pahingahan? Diba? Sagutin mo yon kung naka-resonate ka dito. Sagutin mo doon sa comment section, anong klaseng pahingahan ka ba? Ikaw ba ay kama? Banig? Diba? Oh my gosh. Tingnan natin. Some of them di pa rin talaga totally ready financially, or pwede sabihin nating nakakita sila ng balance pagdating sa kapag ikaw yung nakikita niya, nakakasama niya, parang ganon. Kinikilabutan ako. I don't know why. Okay? So, kapag nandyan ka, lahat okay. Lahat sabihin nating pakiramdam niya is tama. Parang ganon. Wow. Pag nandyan ka, magiging okay ang lahat. Parang ganon. Anyway. So there, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.